What is up, everybody? Everyday Angler here. I'm in Savannah, Georgia with Omega. We're on our 1-year anniversary trip and we are actually gonna fish. Well, I'm gonna be fishing these mud flat things here in Savannah for redfish, I guess, or at least I hope. The tide is low. High tide is like at 7. So I would either have to get up like at 5 in the morning or stay here till late, so that wasn't gonna happen. So I'm just gonna try my hand at it. Got some flies down here that I got at a fly shop here. I got in my new reel and saltwater line from the hatch and all that good stuff. So we're gonna try it. Hopefully I get at least something. I'll be happy with even a small one of any different species I haven't caught yet. But like I said, it's beautiful out here, so I'm gonna throw the drone up and all that. But first, let me try to catch a fish, and probably gonna get muddy. Okay, I am in my chacos. It's probably not the best idea, but woo! They were not kidding about this mud, man. I at least want to say I tried, right?
Much later.
All right, everybody. Well, that was a fail. We hiked like 2 miles, babe, maybe?
Yeah.
We hiked like 2 miles, and then I get out there. Chacos, I would say they weren't the best idea, but honestly, I don't think anything would have helped me. I was like sinking and like almost knee deep every time. Didn't see any fish. Didn't even get any bites. So that's that. But we're gonna go kayak fishing tomorrow and hopefully have better luck. What is up, everybody? Everyday Angler again. As you know, last time we tried to fish, me and Omega, didn't go so well. Waiting the safest part of the marsh I could find, still didn't produce any fish, but our campsite has the Ogeechee River going past it. Looks really juicy and bassy. I did some research. There's no species that can be caught here that I can't catch in Chattanooga, except for some like super rare sturgeon species, which I'm sure we might, but you know, probably not. So just going after some bass. I only brought my bigger saltwater rods. If I would have known this was here, I would have been fishing that dock with like my 3-weight or something for panfish, but you know, I didn't. So I've got my 7-weight. I've got this really cool click and paw reel on it I wanted to try out, and just a little purple clouser. I've got some other flies, but I went with purple and black because, as you can see, this water is like really tannic. It's like a mixture of salt water and fresh water. I talked to the fly shop and there might be redfish in here, but we'll see. We're gonna get on a canoe actually that we rented from the campsite, and we've got it for 4 hours, so we're just gonna go explore. You ready? Omega is actually, what are you again, certified?
I'm a certified whitewater rafting instructor.
Yeah, she's certified whitewater rafting instructor, so
I sit in the back.
So you should be able to do this, right?
Easy.
Okay.
There's no waterfall.
Fresh. Anyways, I'll see you guys in a little bit when I'm on the boat, and we're probably gonna paddle out of this little creek and into the main river. So yeah, hopefully get at least one fish on this trip.
Is it even clear?
These branches and stuff. This is a good angle. This is a good angle right here. This is awesome. I need to sell my kayak and get us a little canoe like this. We can take turns guiding. Alright everybody, I just got out of that bad tangle. I'm gonna switch my fly up. I don't want to get any more freaking tangled. I'm just gonna pick one. It's getting kind of windy. I'm gonna go with the chartreuse and white. Craft fur clouser. Yeah, I can hit some of these lily pads. Oh my God. Please don't get tangled. I think I'm good. I'm guessing they're in these lily pads though. You know? Exactly. Exactly. Let's see, that was a good skip. That was a good cast. Fish! Fish! I got him stuck in some weeds. No. I just need to fight him, keep pressure on him. Yes, buddy. No, I'm not. Beautiful bass. Beautiful bass. This is the hard part about fly fishing right here. No. Woo-hoo! This is a beautiful largemouth. You have your phone?
Yeah.
Look, everybody. He choked it. I'm gonna go ahead and pop this hook out of here.
You want a picture with him?
Yeah, sure. Right out of there. All right, everybody. Well, our time has run out. Only caught one fish, but it's better than nothing. At least we're not leaving Savannah with no fish. Thanks, Omega, for being the little guide. What do you have to say, Scounge?
I think I did a pretty good job.
Yeah, she actually did do a super good job. So way better than I can paddle. Anyways, guys, thanks for watching. And I'll see you guys next time on another episode of The Everyday Angler.